Hi guys, it's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share my 5 biggest mistake of my eye makeup I have been doing at my initial stage. So how I overcome those mistakes, how I've learned. I'm going to share those things in this video. If you are interested, then you have to keep watching this video, guys. So here we start. I'm going to create a blue smoky eye, as I've not done anything on my eyes, like I've not applied any cream, nothing I've done. Directly using this eyeshadow, this is my first mistake. I'm taking again the color. There's no intensity. Okay, so this is what I have been doing. कुछ भी नहीं लगाती थी, like no cream, no concealer on my eyelid. So this is what you are going wrong if you are using directly an eyeshadow. Fine, as you might be thinking, second layer hai. Again I'm taking the third layer. Properly I'm blending. There's no difference, like मैं अच्छे से blend नहीं कर रही हूँ या कुछ वैसे. Still वो skin दिख रही है. So now I will be doing on this eye, like what was my mistake. I have applied this. Now we'll do this blue smoky eye on the right hand side. First we'll take a concealer, and I'm going to take this banana shade, or if you don't want to take too much lighter than your skin tone, you can choose a shade that is exact to your skin color. I'm taking a lighter shade. Now we'll blend this with a beauty blender. So first you just need to apply concealer on your eyelid, and then second is set with a powder so that there is no crease. You can use a compact powder, or even if you want you can use a loose powder. Now I'm using a compact powder and setting this. There should not be any crease line or anything. You need to give a matte finish, so there's a smooth finish of your eyes. So after using a concealing, I'm going to take this setting spray and going to spray it on the brush, or if you don't have any setting spray, you can even wet your brush and take a eyeshadow on your brush. For more intensity, it is really very important to wet your brush. So guys, can you see the difference on both the side? On a left hand side, I have not done any procedure. I've just picked a color of my eyeshadow and applied all over my eyelid. So because of that, there's a very less intensity and it have not come up that nice. And on right hand side, I have done first concealing, setting with the powder, wet my brush, and then I have taken a color, and then I've applied all over my eyelids. So because of this, there's a difference on my eyes. I really like this one, the pigmented one. So this is what even you might be doing wrong. So just find out the problem and just overcome with all your mistakes. It's a very small mistakes which we do it and we don't even realize कि यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. We'll take these 3 brushes, 2 fluffy brush and 1 flat eyeshadow brush, as I'm going to create a creative eyeshadow through this palette, NK Beauty. And again using the same brush and taking another color, orange one, on my crease. Now taking pink color. The mistake is using the same brush for all the shades. बिकॉज हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास सिर्फ 2-3 ब्रश होता है, तो हम लाइक सारे कलर्स एक ही ब्रश में ब्लेंडिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे हमने ये कलर पहले येलो लिया, फिर ऑरेंज, पिंक, ये रेडिश वन. नाउ we'll take another brush. We'll take this one. Now we'll take a pigment, this purple one. इसके ऊपर मैंने लगाया है. Now it looks like कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है because I've used only 2-3 brushes और उसको ही मैंने मिक्स कर करके लगाया है, तो मेरे को एक अलग ट्रांजिशन नहीं मिल रहा है. It's just a blended one. So guys, हम ये करते हैं normally, but if you want a very pointed eyeshadow, how you can do it? So right way I'm going to show on this side. First I'm taking this concealer. And then I will set this with a powder. And now I'm going to take a color, but for every color I will be taking a different brush. So this is a pencil brush, and first taking this yellow color, I'm going to apply on my crease. And then I will take a clean fluffy brush and we'll blend this. Okay guys, so I've just first created a crease line, and now we'll take this orange shade with a different brush. It's a clean fluffy brush. We'll take all the colors which I've used on this eye. And then we'll take this pink color. And then I use this one. And I blend this. Again I will be taking a concealer. So I'm just concealing, creating a cut crease. Then we'll take an angular brush, pointed one. फिर मैं ये कलर लूँगी, reddish. Now I'll use this color. I'm using the same eyeshadow colors which I picked on this eye, but in a more better way I have applied on this eye, right hand side, with too many different brushes. Take a setting spray first for more intensity. Just apply in the center. Taking this orange color in front. Finger is the best way of blending. If you don't have even too many brushes, you can use a finger, blend it. ये मैंने ब्रश सिर्फ ऑरेंज के लिए यूज किया है. Again I'm applying. This is how I'm like creating a halo effect on my eyes. So So guys, if you want to create a perfect eyeshadow, you have to use too many brushes, you have to do all the procedures which I have done on this side. जस्ट आप एक ही ब्रश से सारे कलर मिक्स करोगे तो आपको ऐसी फिनिशिंग आएगी, और बट आप अलग अलग ब्रशेस से अच्छे से प्रिसाइजली करोगे तो यू विल गेट सच काइंड ऑफ अ फिनिश. So guys, on this side and this side, what are the mistakes which I have done on this side, and on this side how I have corrected my mistakes. Over here I have used 3 brushes, but I have chose too many different colors, so because of that the transition shade have not come up very clearly. And on this side I have done proper concealing on my eyelid. I've set with the powder, and like for each shade, when I'm using this yellow shade, I have taken different brush. When I use orange, again I've taken different brush. So for all the shade, in short, I have picked many different brushes. For that reason my eyeshadow have literally come up very pointed, very precise. So because of that, there's a huge difference in this and this eye. एंड नेक्स्ट मिस्टेक, जब भी हम आईलाइनर लगाते हैं वी ऑलवेज क्लोज आवर आईज, और जो हमारा एंड पॉइंट है वहाँ से हम ड्रैग करते हैं आईब्रो को और फिर लाइन क्रिएट करते हैं विंग लाइनर की, वो हमेशा गलत होती है और उससे आईलाइनर जो रहता है वो ब्रॉड भी होता है, विंग कभी भी परफेक्ट नहीं आती है. सो यू शुड नेवर डू दिस. And the right way is using a gel based eyeliner with a very thin brush. When you are applying an eyeliner, you should always open your eye and then take a judgment from your end point and the end point of your brow. So this is how you can draw a very precise eyeliner. It's a very simple technique which we have to do. And next mistake, जब भी हमें काजल लगाना है बट थिन काजल नहीं लग पा रहा है, बहुत मोटा हो रहा है, बोल्ड हो रहा है, जस्ट बिकॉज हम वो काजल पेंसिल को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेस करके लगाते हैं बट स्टिल आपसे वो नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप ऑल्टरनेटिव देख सकते हो. आप जेल बेस लाइनर ब्रश के साथ एकदम पतली वाटर लाइन में इजीली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. And the last mistake is we use our brush but it is untidy and we pick a eyeshadow and then it does not come perfectly with a combination of too many colors. So always make sure if you want a perfect color then you have to clean all your brushes whenever you use it, so that the color which one you picking, it's the same color you would get it on your eye makeup. So guys, these are some of my mistakes I have been doing at my initial stage, and if you are doing the same thing, just get the right way and follow all the steps which have been given. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, please hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out with any new notification. You are always updated with all of my videos guys. So stay tuned for my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye.